Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where filters can fix your face but not your soul, where people change their profile pictures more often than they change their mindset, we have forgotten what truly needs updating. We've become obsessed with how we look, not with how we feel. We chase the perfect angle, the right caption, the flawless post, but inside, we're running on low battery, emotionally drained, mentally exhausted, spiritually disconnected. The truth, the best version of you, isn't found in your camera roll. It's built in your energy. The energy you carry speaks louder than your appearance. People can sense your energy before you say a single word. You can wear designer clothes, have a perfect smile, and still make the room feel heavy when you walk in. But if your energy is pure, full of gratitude, confidence, and purpose, even silence becomes powerful. So stop editing your photos to look bright. Start editing your thoughts to feel bright. Your vibe is your real profile picture. It updates every second through your actions, your mindset, and your presence. Validation is temporary. Energy is eternal. Every like fades. Every comment disappears. But your energy, how you make people feel, how you handle challenges, how you show up every day, that leaves a mark. Simon Sinek once said, "People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it." Similarly, people don't remember your selfies, they remember your spirit. Your inner energy is your brand. It's what defines your legacy long after the spotlight moves on. Recharging through purpose energy doesn't come from sleep alone. It comes from living with purpose. When you wake up knowing why you're doing something, you're unstoppable. Stop scrolling to compare. Start growing to create. Instead of asking, "How do I look today?" ask, "How do I feel today?" Purpose fuels energy, and energy fuels greatness. Protect your energy like your identity. You guard your passwords. You protect your privacy. But how often do you protect your energy? If someone drains you, distance yourself. If something doesn't align with your peace, walk away. Your energy defines your destiny, and not everyone deserves access to it. When you manage your energy wisely, life starts aligning effortlessly. The real glow-up is internal. The real transformation isn't visible. It's vibrational. Confidence isn't about saying, "Look at me." It's about silently saying, "I know who I am." When your energy is right, opportunities find you. When your mindset is strong, you don't chase, you attract. That's the glow-up no camera can capture. Final message: update the world through your energy. You don't inspire people by changing your profile picture. You inspire them by changing your energy. From negative to hopeful, from drained to driven, from lost to purposeful. So today, instead of updating your online image, update your inner frequency. Smile with intention. Speak with warmth. Live with purpose. Because when your energy rises, your world updates automatically. The greatest update you'll ever make is to your energy. Because the world doesn't see your photos, it feels your presence. We live in a time where people are more focused on how they appear than how they truly are, where the highlight reel of life matters more than the reality behind it, where we spend hours choosing the right profile picture, but not even 5 minutes checking in with our own energy. We refresh our social media, but forget to refresh our souls. The world has convinced us that looking successful is more important than being successful. But here's the truth. The most powerful updates in life don't happen on a screen, they happen in your spirit. Your energy, your attitude, your presence, your purpose, that's the real profile picture people remember. Because long after the filters fade and the likes disappear, your energy is what lingers. It's what people feel when you walk into a room. It's what people remember when you leave. So today, I want you to stop focusing on how the world sees you and start focusing on how the world feels you. You can't fake energy. You can post the perfect picture, write the clever caption, and smile wide for the camera, but your energy always tells the truth. Simon Sinek once said, "People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it." That same principle applies to life. People don't respond to your looks, they respond to your vibe. Energy is the invisible introduction you give before you even speak. If your energy is confident, kind, and calm, people feel it. If it's insecure, angry, or empty, they feel that too. So the question isn't, how do I look today? But what kind of energy am I carrying today? You see, when your inner world is aligned, your outer world naturally shines. You don't have to prove your worth through a post. Your presence becomes proof of your peace. Social media validation is like fast food. It gives you a quick boost, but leaves you empty afterward. A like lasts a second. A comment fades in a minute. But your energy, your consistency, your kindness, your purpose, that's what leaves a lasting mark. The world is full of people who look confident online, but feel lost inside. Because confidence doesn't come from how many people notice you. It comes from how deeply you know yourself. You can't post your way to fulfillment. You can't filter your way to happiness. The real update happens when you stop performing for approval and start living with alignment. And once you do that, once your energy becomes your anchor, no number of followers can add to your worth, and no amount of hate can take it away. Your energy doesn't come from caffeine or compliments. It comes from purpose. When you live with purpose, you don't wake up tired, you wake up driven. When your actions are fueled by meaning, not attention, your spirit recharges itself. Simon Sinek talks about the power of the why, that deep reason behind everything you do. When you find your why, life transforms from a race into a mission. Stop asking, what will people think? Start asking, what impact will this create? Because when your why is strong enough, your energy becomes unstoppable. It doesn't matter how tough the day is. Your purpose keeps your battery full. You protect your passwords, your bank accounts, your data, but how often do you protect your energy? Every conversation, every environment, every person you allow into your life either charges you or drains you. If someone constantly brings negativity, distance yourself. If something steals your peace, let it go. Because protecting your energy is not selfish, it's smart. You can't pour from an empty cup. You can't inspire others if you're exhausted from pretending. So choose peace over popularity. Choose growth over gossip. Choose authenticity over approval. The people who truly matter won't care about your latest photo. They'll care about your light. The real glow up isn't about changing how you look. It's about changing how you feel. It's about shifting from negativity to gratitude, from fear to faith, from doubt to direction. True confidence doesn't shout. It radiates. It's quiet, steady, and unshakable. When you align your mindset, when your energy is pure, you don't chase, you attract. Opportunities, people, and success naturally find those who vibrate at a higher frequency. So, the next time you feel like updating your profile picture, pause. Ask yourself instead, have I updated my energy lately? Have I worked on my mindset, my habits, my peace? Because that's the glow-up no filter can capture. That's the update that changes lives, starting with your own. The energy update the world needs. Remember this. People may forget what you post, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. You can update your pictures every week, but if your energy stays the same, your life will too. But once you update your energy, your mindset, your attitude, your focus, everything around you starts to upgrade automatically. Because when you rise, your world rises with you. When your energy is right, your reality transforms. So, update your energy, not your profile picture. Because the world doesn't see your photos, it feels your presence. Direct hit final line. The greatest upgrade isn't in your phone, your profile, or your appearance. It's in your energy. Because your energy is your identity, and that's what truly defines your future.